Why Gmail? Because Gmail is your passport to your digital brand. Just one account gives you access to Google Docs, Google Drive, YouTube, analytics, calendar, and even recovery emails and recovery everything, passwords, backups. Gmail is the brand to use for your business. Now, I'll teach you how to set up your Gmail for your account professionally. I am Queen Seiyefa. Welcome to the Growth Hub. Today, we're talking about step by step on how to do it, how to open your Gmail account, how to create your Gmail account, and to set up your brand so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, now let's go straight in, no wasting time. Step one. All right, practically this is all practical. So step one, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Click on create account. Open your browser, any browser you're using, any browser of your choice, or if you already have the app, all you just have to do is open, click on create account. Now, when you're clicking on create account, please select for work. Select for work. There is one personal and the other one for work or business. Please select the one for work or business. If you're dealing with a brand here, please don't use the personal one. Select for work or business. This is the Growth Hub. Have you clicked the subscribe button? Please subscribe to this channel because so much more is coming and we're starting from scratch. When it comes to building a brand online, you must have this email, you must have this Gmail account to be able to access different brands of Google products and other brands that are necessary for fostering your brand. Okay, so we said number one, go to your website, go to your browser and click on gmail.com. Now click on create account. Two, select for work or business. You see personal, you see for work or business, right? So select the one for work or business. Don't forget. Now step two, fill in brand details. Now you fill in your details. Here's the trick. Use your brand name or the closest variation. Now, for example, Quinsefa Talks uses Quinsefa Talks at gmail.com, right? That is the brand name. Okay. So for example, if you use Quinsefa Talks at gmail.com, let's say for your brand and it's not available, and you do branding or marketing or something like that, so you can just use Queen Brand Official at gmail.com, right? So there's Queen, there's branding, there's official, there's gmail.com. Okay, so please avoid random numbers like Queen2345. Please, we're talking professional branding here. Okay, Quinsefa Talks Official or Quinsefa Talks at gmail.com, Quinsefa Brands at gmail.com. Please avoid random number 955, Quinsefa 122, Quinsefa 556. Please avoid these random numbers. That looks very unprofessional and it's either for clients or collaborators to remember, right? Step three, create a strong password. Please, for your password, you need to miss uppercase letter, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Don't make the mistake of using just one or through. Okay? Uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Symbols can be anything, comma, hashtag, or anything, right? Miss it if you want your password to be strong, right? So, for example, Queen Brand at 2025. Never use your birthday for your passwords. Never. It's very easy to get. So never use your birthday for your passwords. Okay. Now, your birthday or anything like that is very, very predictable. Like someone can just randomly come up with that. Like just looking at your birthday and like, okay, let me add this, the brand name plus the birthday or whatever. It's very easy to get. Okay. So stay away from anything that has to do with your birthday or any number that is obvious on your brand, right? Your Gmail is the backbone of your brand, so you have to protect it because this is where you're going to be doing all your recovery. If your password is missing, for example, this is where you're going to be doing all your recovery. Like if anything goes wrong, you can reset your password, you can reset your Gmail, you can do all of these things right here on your Gmail account, right? So we said, let's go over it again. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This is the Growth Hub. Welcome. I'm Queen Seiyefa Talks. And if you've come this far, please stick and learn these things so that you don't make a mistake, a costly mistake. So we start step one, Go to your Gmail, go to your browser, open gmail.com and create your account. Step two, okay, after creating your account, you have to click on create account. You click on select for work, please, for work or business. Don't use personal. For work, or even if it's a personal brand like Whoever Talks Official, you must use for work. Don't use personal, okay? Personal is like for your own thing, but for work and business is for the general consumption, general public. Okay, step two, fill in the brand details. Make sure you use your brand details. Use your brand name or closest variation, like Whoever Talks at gmail.com or Queen Brands Official at gmail.com, something like that. Avoid random numbers, Quincefa 111, Quincefa 255. Avoid those numbers because they are not easy for clients to remember. So please stay away from such things. Then step three, you create a strong password. Mix uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol. Don't forget uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol. Okay. Now, what is next? Step number four, recovery options. Google will ask you for a recovery email and phone number. Don't skip this. If your account is ever hacked, you will need a recovery email. So you can use another email to back this up, right? So if your account is ever hacked or you forget your password, this is your lifeline. Use a trusted number and if possible, link another Gmail that you control. Okay. Step five, brand profile photo. Here is where most people miss it. Upload a clean photo, a clean picture of your brand logo or your own profile picture if it's a personal brand, because first impressions matter. Imagine sending an email with a blank profile. It reduces trust instantly. So you have to put, I know, right? You have never put a profile on your please do put your brand logo there. It is very important. Now let's move to step six, brand signature. Once your Gmail is ready, add a professional email signature. Go to setting and see all settings and scroll down to signature. Add your name, your brand name, your website or your link tree, and maybe a short tagline. Okay, for example, Whoever Talks Official, helping you build unforgettable brands, right? Linktree at Kusefa underscore Queen underscore Seiyefa underscore talks underscore official. So Kusefa talks official. That is our link tree. Okay. Best practices. Let me quickly give you my top best practices for Gmail. Number one, keep your Gmail handle very short and clean. Kusefa talks at gmail.com. Kusefa talks at gmail.com. Clean. Okay. Use one Gmail for your brand only. No missing with personal brand. Not today you use Seiyefa Talks official and tomorrow you use let's say Queen 1115 at gmail.com. No, use one Gmail for everything that concerns that particular brand. Okay, use only one Gmail. Now keep number three, turn on your verification, your two-step verification immediately for extra security. This is very important in case someone logs you out or tries to hack your account with this two-step verification. Let's say for instance I use the type that you can check on another phone. So for instance, if someone tries to hack my account, they'll need me to approve from this other's phone. Okay, so for instance, that will give me access to reject it and the account will be locked from that person and I'll be able to recover my account back. So please set up two steps verification. Another one is the there's this pass key thing where it generates pass key like a code on your Google Authenticator, right? So once you do that, let's say you try to log in from another device, for instance, it will give that authenticator a code and you have to authenticate. So if someone is trying to hack your account, you have to authenticate, which means the person cannot really hack your account successfully. Okay, in most cases, right? Number four, keep your inbox organized. Use labels for clients, projects, and collaboration. This way, every email you send looks professional and every opportunity sees you as trustworthy. Did you get this juicy lecture? Are you going to put this to work? Are you going to practice it? This is very important. If you're looking to build your brand, your Gmail is the class A, is the class one, the nursery, the pre-KG, the everything. This is the crèche. This is where you start the daycare. Okay, because your Gmail gives you access to every other thing you're going to do. So going forward in our upcoming classes, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this Gmail to create different things from your Facebook account, your Instagram account, your TikTok account, LinkedIn, your Linktree. I'm going to be teaching you how to create these things professionally, and also I can also teach you personally also. But now we're looking at branding, so we're talking about professional Gmail branding. So let's go over them again. Let's run through before we go. We said number one, go to your web, click gmail.com. Okay, type in gmail.com, click on create account, select for work or business. Then step two, fill in your brand details, use your brand name or closest derivation. For example, queensavatalks@gmail.com or queensavabrandofficial@gmail.com. So those are different versions that you can use. So apply that to your brand. Please avoid random numbers. No 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Avoid those things. Then step three, use strong password. Create a strong password, means uppercase, lowercase, digits, and also symbols, right? Then step four, recovery image. A recovery Gmail. Add an email to recover or a phone number that you trust, okay, in case it's ever hacked. Add your brand photo. That's step five. Step six, add your brand signature. Link your link to your website or whatever you have to link. For example, Queen Talks, then your tagline. For instance, Seiyefa is turning forgettable brands, unnoticeable brands, right, into unforgettable icons, right? Okay, so what is your own? I help you build unforgettable brands. What is your own tagline, right? And don't forget our best practices. Number one, keep your Gmail handle short and clean. Use Gmail for your brand only. No mixing, no adding any extra or coming up with different things to put extra. Keep your inbox organized. Then use labels for projects and clients and collaboration, and you know that. If you found this helpful, don't just watch and leave. Hit the like button so more people can see this, can discover this, and subscribe to this channel. This is the brand building lecture from the Growth Hub, right? This is the brand building lectures from the Growth Hub. Welcome to the Growth Hub. I'm Queen Seiyefa, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on all social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere at Queen Seiyefa Talks Official. And also, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. What are your struggles when it comes to Gmail? If you have any struggles, rebranding or whatever it is, please reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. How to reach out to me? Click on the link in the first comment, link in my bio. The link is everywhere, all over my social media at Queen Seiyefa Talks Official Linktree. You can reach me directly. Okay, so see you in my next video. And Queen Seiyefa says what?